been a little bit since I've done a vlog again. I feel like I'm just getting worse and worse at it. I don't know why. But things are going all right. Wow. Life sure hits you sometimes, though, and that's kind of what's going on with me. Just my son has needed a little more help than usual, which is fine. It's just been taking a lot of my time and effort, which, you know, I'm happy to give as his mom. I don't mind doing that, but I haven't been able to vlog or, you know, just doing different things with life, which is fine. It's and I don't mean to be so vague. It's not anything, just that I think I told you guys that he had totaled his car, and so he doesn't have a car right now, so I've been driving him. He got a new job, which is great. I mean, things are looking better. It's just been a lot. So I'm working with that. And then Katie also needs a car because she's going to be home this summer, and so I'm trying to figure out all of that jazz. So it's a little bit nuts, but, you know, everything will be okay. How's that go? Everything will be okay in the end, and if it's not okay, it's not the end. So I know that it'll be all right. I'm just hanging out there trying to do the best I can, you know. You know how that goes. What else? Work is going well. I think I may have even told you guys that I had a printer in my office. Well, the person that had the printer before me started missing the printer, I guess. So I not had to give it back, but because that sounds like I took it. I didn't take it. It was just not being used. But then I think that when I called to ask if they were using it and they said no, I think that's when they realized that they missed it. So they asked about it, and so I said, yes, I have it. And so they got it back. So that's all fine, but it's kind of a bummer, but it's all right. What else do I know? It looks like it's going to rain like crazy here. So I'm glad I'm going to be home for the rain. And what else? What did I do this weekend? So I went to see, with Lisa, we were going to have a girls' night on Friday night and do our exchange, but Lisa found out that her son runs track and field, and he's really good. He's like 5th in the state for this particular event, and I'm sorry, I don't remember the event, but he was supposed to run on Thursday night, but because it rained on Thursday, they canceled it and rescheduled it for Friday night. So we were supposed to have our girls' night on Friday night, but because he had switched to run on Friday, she said that she needed to go to that, which of course, by all means, you need to go to that. But then I thought, you know what? I should go and support him too, because I love her and I love him because I love her. So, and I thought, you know what? It's great. You know, it takes a village, and it's really good for parents to support other our friends' kids. So I went with her instead of going out with Ellen, which I could have done too, which would have been fabulous as well. So but I felt like that if I went to go with Lisa, that would be a better choice. So that's the one that I picked, and I promised Ellen that we will go out sometime. And we are going to go out on this Friday together as a group and do our MD exchange and have some fun. We're switching it up a little bit. We're going to dinner, so that'll be cool. And what else? So he did really well. He came in 3rd on whatever it was that he did, maybe the 800, I don't know. I couldn't believe that there are people that run for fun. Nobody was chasing him or anything. And so on Friday we did that, and then we And we got some Starbucks on the way. That was nice. I just had a good time talking with her, and just being with her is fun. And then Saturday, seems like the weekend went really fast. Saturday I stayed home though and worked on my cards and had fun that way. And then Sunday I actually went out with Alex. We went to eat some Cinco de Mayo, some Mexican, and we went to the mall. I had to exchange some clothes for him. And then seems like we did something else, but I don't remember what. Oh, we just hung out at his house, that's right. And I got to see my little grand kitty. I love that little cat. So he showed me his guitar and he was playing some songs. That was fun. We just hung out. It was really kind of neat. It was a good day. And then yesterday was work and today was work. So that's what I've been doing. So I hope that you guys are having a good week. And I hope the rest of the week is good to you as well. There's my yawn. We knew it was coming, didn't we? I don't think I can get through a vlog without yawning. And there are some crazy people around. Holy shamoly. But yeah, I'm almost home. So I think I'm going to let you guys go. And I just wanted to touch base and say hello. And if I have something exciting, I will show you. But I do have a little video of me and Flower, so I will put that here at the end. Love you. Bye. Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have little Flower. Oh my goodness, I just love this little kitty cat. He's so sweet. He's such a good boy. Aren't you, Flower? He's a good boy. Look how cute he is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And look, he has his little tie on. Oh my gosh, he's just a beautiful boy. My little grand kitty. I love that. Oh my goodness. He's so cute. I just thought I wanted to share him with you guys.